Today, I'm going to walk you through the procedure to finish the first step of onboarding, which is self-evaluation. To do that, log in with your email ID and password and you enter this page, onboarding page in eVidyaloka. Self-evaluation is a questionnaire that helps in evaluating yourselves, whether you have skill sets required to volunteer. These questions vary based on your preferred choice for volunteering. For example, if you choose to volunteer as a teacher, these questions are specific to the teacher role. So let's take this step. First question, can you read and write fluently in the native language? Reading and writing fluently in the native language is important because the classes are conducted in the local language. Example, if you choose Bengali as your language, you potentially teach kids from Bengali medium. So click yes or no for this question. Second question, are you fluent to speak, read and write in any other listed languages? So pick one language if you think you're fluent in other languages listed below. Let's say this Hindi. What motivates you to come on a platform like this and contribute your time? So this basically is asking you the reasons that motivated you to come here and volunteer online. Next question, online classes happen during school hours, that is 10 am to 4 pm Indian Standard Time, Monday to Friday. To teach online, it is required to provide 2 1-hour slots, which can be any 2 different days and any 2 different slots in this time window. Do you think you can commit for the same? So answer yes or no depending on that. As you know, school working hours are 10 to 4 Monday through Friday. So if you can commit for 2 hours, 1 hour each on 2 different days, click yes. The next set of questions below this are generic class scenario questions, wherein you teach a couple of kids and let's say they are not able to follow what you teach them, or something like last minute personal commitment comes on your way and you're not able to take the class, what will you do? Examples like that. So there are no right and wrong answers for these questions. These questions are designed to know more about your way of thinking. So please read through these questions and answer accordingly. Thank you.